Sir Chunchun, Mrs. Betty Navarro, fellow teachers, parents, and students. I'm going to mention names. Anong naalala nyo pag natinig nyo ang pangalang ito? Michael Phelps. LeBron James. Eric Ang. Miguel Molina. Watching the Olympic Games, even only on television, or watching any sports competition is considered a learning moment. So, ano ang natutunan nyo nung pinapanood nyo ang Beijing Olympic? Personally, I was impressed by the dedication, focus, and determination of all the Olympic athletes. This includes our very own Olympic delegates. Though we don't have the state-of-art of equipment, the Filipino athletes did their best to bring home an honor to our country. Holding these intramural games is another learning moment for all the Mabinians. From these intramurals, you will develop the passion of an athlete, the passion that will mold you as future Olympic players. It will also develop in you the spirit of sportsmanship and respect to all participants. As cliche as it may sound, it does not matter if you win or lose. What matters most is how you play the game. Pero iba pa rin ang panalo kayo. Kaya lang, let us take away the philosophy of winning at all costs. Basta manalo kahit sa anong paraan. Hindi pwede yon. Basta manalo kahit magsinungaling. Hindi pwede yon. Dahil baka ma-disqualify kayo o ma-office kayo. In this, the referees and all the officials are playing an important role. The way you dispatch your duty will make this long event a teachable moment. And to the players, it is a learning moment. Good luck to all of you.